Assalamu alaikum viewers. Today I shall tell you that how can you measure your own know your heart attack risk. How can you do that in 1 minute by doing a self test. Let's see how. So measure your risk of heart attack. What you have to do is you have to take a pulse rate for 1 minute of yourself while watching this video. After that you will take a stopwatch or a set 1 minute on your mobile and do some exercise like running and or cycling for exactly 1 minute, and soon after 1 minute of exercise you will take another pulse rate for 1 minute. That will be your peak pulse rate. This will we shall call it B. And now after taking the peak pulse rate you will rest for 1 minute, and 1 minute later you will again your pulse rate, and we shall call it recovery pulse rate, and we shall say it C. Normal pulse rate was 72 and your peak pulse rate was 130 and your recovery pulse rate was 120. So how will you know that you are at a risk of heart attack or not? Let's see. Actually you have to count your recovery pulse rate, recovery beats, that is B minus C. B was 130 minus 120 and you have this figure of 10. So you have a recovery pulse rate of recovery of 10 beats. That is too low. Let's see what is the scale. If the difference between your peak pulse rate and your recovery pulse rate is less than 12 beats, then you are at a higher risk of a heart attack, and if the difference is between 13 to 20 you are at a moderate risk of heart attack, and if it is 21 to 40 you are very good, you are having a good cardiac health, and if that is 40 plus, the difference is 40 plus, then you are really fit like an athlete. I hope this video would have helped you to know the risk of your heart attack. Keep watching these videos and do subscribe and like my channel. Take care. Allah Hafiz.